Nehu Students Union bar ka KSU Nehu Unit ki bade ki artli ki kinhon ki belalam khamat ya ka jinge ki sha than baklembo por bandawa bo professor Prabha Shankar Shukla budai ban ino ekakam ni shaweng nakakam kumu vice chancellor kani ka university ka khadwi tri unai wieng arajar psaw kila Phah daga Jingthoh chika president kari India ka Draupadi Murmu bakan tuklar halor kani ka jingdawa ki samna puli na lor ka Jingthoh chika president kini ki ar kanhon kila Phah Jingthoh ru chika trat puli ka sarkar India ba chaka sarkar jilla la ong usamla Kevin Nelson Wanrap Rani general secretary ka KSU Nehu unit kani ka jingi ki sha thangan ki samna puli bala kotchis pa sau kanta ka dei ka blas dang na do ka santrik nai wieng arajar psaw nakadabu Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla Jingsngap ya jingdawa ki samna puli haki kindiat singi bladem banweng kami u registrar deputy registrar bad ki wiki officer university ki blakin no bakila sha thung bi an the vice chancellor badminta ki samla ki la kwa be bo vice chancellor eno lani bu un chaweng no nakakam usamla Kevin ul ong ba Jingsngap jarjar vice chancellor ke Nehu kapen I ya Kheiñ po ni third class ya ki jai ban Riewlum kumban chukdo bo vice chancellor la ja rangai na ka jaka sa jong u bat shimla tep udon chano
ni tengi don hening ni shukya bi chane ngim ni shong cha than te kadai ka jing bom sot nyu hi ka jong u visi jing khen do thala jong u bat bom khen ngi kum ki students u ka jing wan u visi kadai ban yarak ban ketiu ka university as a whole khamtam yangi ka first priority de un bu shaingi ki students andai ngim shim la I kum kita ki te nakaliang ka jongi tang komentan hi tang Phah ka city syaka president of India buat ka ministry of education ki ministers baro jong ka sarkar Meghalaya ki MPs bat bar ki bari ki concern authority concerns jong ngit nakaliang duki can intervene. It's been 6 days plus hadian ni la lasai ka singem dap siteo te ngam tep ba ke ki ap ngi ki ap bangin yap ni jaka ni ki ap bangin ja yu ko pas musi laki semua Phah ne kumnu ki ban I ki samla pulip ken tarha ngim tem te ngangit ba ngila Phah sibun klik message ba ke ba Phah hi kan wan ur long kham tua kham ha la pam ya kataka Andrews ni ti lasai ngin lap sitayo on na yang jingi students ni sumsi ha kawe ba amdan ba setnyau la ne what visi ru ken do thala tekteng apa perkat ni semua ba visi ken snap ini ki Riewlum kata ki ST but yang ila ken ta ki do thala la ni kita third class amar ba ko ni la te ba visi wanaka jaka ba dan kata ka system andre ngipat ha kan ka jela ni ngimshin la dan ta ki ka system ULS dia ka jingpai ka jong ni tang ki third class la ni ta ki Rieu ba Kheiñ po ke ni te ki khna ni ki la telot ba kuma fila ini students le khatam idang suan ko hospital wat ba ha ba kilit hospital kim simlan tre tang ban bam wat tang si sembo kharu kilawan phai kamen sim ka thang ha ba pet ikini ki roi ki para ba yashong sa than ande ki beru ki students na ki colleges ki wan lang ban support ni de kata ba amit sim ba ki jingdoi ki ban la ban poi hadu kan por wam ta inget ba ki authority concern ken tenru yo ni visi bat ki de ban saman kham kloi kan ba khnang ba ni ki de ban care na ta ki ni ki students ba sa than ni ki kumbaki ong ba ki students ki lawi kari he ken she ingin poi lada ni kuning isu ya hab ya sa than lada kawi ka issues ni haban wan ba sa than sa kan nupat ngin haban sa than kan ni ka de ka sien ka ba sinjam ringsim kum ka ki isu ba kan nehusu ka de ban dei ka ban mak ka history ba ke di ban sutu balada ke ka bejan nang ni sekhmat ka central government ka di ban sutu ba ka central government ru nang ni sekhmat lada Phah ya kinu ki jaj brio ha kan ka university ke jongi kan ka than satai lamangi di ban sutu ba kum kinu ki jaj brio ban Phah sini om tang kim ki domi ba shushong bam skap iki students
hapadeng ga jingal shakmat ki samla ban ki kinhon samla puli ni ki college prepare ki lawan ban aimen sim bat kershan bakan thup ka kyang nang ba government college students union ka synod college students union kabla pelong da ka jingai ki jat shadow Nehu kanaga students union Shillong na lor ki weipan
Iwan ang ni ban ai ka jing support nan ta ki ma ki Nehu Student Union baka KSU Kasi Student Union kini man ai jing tersian ki bagni ka movement ka joki man ai ki jing support mata kini ma te ngaru ngakot wer ya ki affiliate college na baru ki college ki affiliate dengan Nehu akot kepat ki bikin man support ya ki Nehu su ya ki KSU yang ihi lada up hi BC yang kini ke Jingthoh yang ki pura yang ki Nehu Student Union ki KSU ini yang ia percaya bagi ini rap man ini bagi hadu wada resign ya vice chancellor or registrar ini.
We stand firm in our support for the demands of the Nehu and the KSU Nehu unit, and we believe that the removal of the registrar and the deputy registrar is necessary to restore trust in the administration and uphold the values that this university was built on. And we also urge the central government to take immediate look into the matter and try to resolve this issue at the earliest, since it's a matter concerning not just the well-being of the students but also the overall functioning of this university. And this process out here is also a direct message to the VC that we as the students, we stand together and we will not back down until our demands are met. Kawai concern jongi kadai lingba kini ki kajing delay jong kini ki results kaba nilap kaba Jingsngap mo kaba bo inge ki Jingsngap kamtam ki babon ki kiba depend na scholarship tidangi delay ki exams ki delay kini ka mark sheet ka Jingsngap ki babon ru ki ban apply te hoi ki ladan ka jing kren nang ni nang te but hoi ka along successful ru ba ki la extend ya kan ni ka scholarship but ni long hang ni ka por ni support ya ka ki Jingthoh jong ka Nehu but ka KSU unity.
And yes, we heard in solidarity for the students, for the welfare. They have been here striking for their justice, and we are here to support them. Their demand is very much genuine, and for which we are standing here hand in hand with them. And I want to express my concern to my dear fellow students, my dear brothers and sisters, that you are not alone. Even as from the students community of Nagas, the Naga Students Union Shillong is there for them till the end. The justice is delivered. It's been from the northeast states. There are always so many issues, and then even in this part, our northeastern people has always been neglected. And in this issue, the main concern of the thing is like the competent authority should take action immediately and handle the situation as soon as possible. As we can see, the students on hunger strike for so many days. Some of them been in critical condition. They have been admitted in hospital. And the main purpose of them is here to study for their career, for the future. They should be preparing for the studies. But as you can see, they are lying there protesting for their rights, and for which we would like to request the competent authority to take this matter into action as soon as possible and resolve this issue. And I would like to convey this, that unless this issue has been settled, we will not rest and we will fight until the end.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.